What's going on? It's your boy Industrial Dave. Welcome to 6 to 6, y'all. Why you can't get that promotion? You a good welder? You a good worker in general? Why you can't get a promotion? And for y'all that don't understand, when you see Dave or Mike across the street and he's a welder and he looks dirty every day, and you sit there and wonder like, man, is this guy gonna get a promotion? No, this is a catch to being a good welder. You will never get a promotion, man. It's the way it is. I will explain, let me explain. If you guys know any welders, you say to yourself, well, how do I know this guy's a good welder? Is he always working? Or is he laid off all the time? Boom, there's the answer right there. If you are a good welder, they don't want to promote you. It's not in their best interest because you are gonna be producing and making the company money. That's why they leave you alone. You a good welder, you working. That's how you know you a good welder. They don't want to promote you. They need you welding, putting out welds, producing, passing x-rays. Most of your pushers and general foremans, hit and miss. Sometimes they're, you know what, I would say kind of 50-50, that sometimes they're not good welders and sometimes they are jam up welders. But for the most part, good welders and workers in general, they never get promoted. Now, there is a weird type of promotion that welders get, right? It's called work and phone calls. So pretty much when you're a really jam up welder, you don't get promoted and get to wear a suit and tie to work. You just get on better jobs. You know, I give you an example. So over my years, I just started getting better and better and better jobs, you know, higher pay, you know, better conditions. The best job that I've ever had, I'll just tell you one of them because I've been up there, right? I was with this specific company and it was a specialty. They'd fly me out, rental car, first class. Yep. I promise, I'm making it up. It took a lot of years to get there, but they knew that they never had to worry about me failing an x-ray. It takes a lot of years to get that way. You know what I'm saying? Where you can just, hey, count on your guy. He comes in, you don't bother him, and everything's gonna shoot. It takes a long time to get that way. Now, your average welders, it's just not gonna happen. They're just not gonna call them. They might be laid off here and there and they gotta really kind of find work, but your good welders, that's how they get promoted, by their bank account. They're always working. They get on the really good jobs, per diem. They paying the hotels and your vacation checks and stuff like that. It's just the way it is in the field. And really, it doesn't even have to be for a welder. If you're a good electrician or if you're a good plumber, you are not gonna get a promotion. It's just not. You're always gonna get called for the next best job. That's it. You're always gonna get called for overtime. They're always gonna call you on 6 and 7/12s for emergencies. Your average guys, they get pushed to the side and they get the little 40-hour gigs and the 50-hour gigs. But if you're a jam up welder, you're getting a company truck, you're getting those calls in the middle of the night for the emergency leaks. You're getting that double time call on Saturday and Sunday, and you're getting all the perks. That's just part of it. That's just how the field works, all right? So this is just a little bit of tips about why welders never get promoted. Hope you like this video. It's your boy Industrious Dave. Welcome to 6 to 6. You guys take care and have an industrious day.